Hey everybody, today we're in a Chevy Suburban. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip angled mount number 855107. Now this mount does also fit the Chevy Tahoe and the GMC Yukons, but it only fits these models that have the 8-inch screen in the center, so that's important. Now a couple things we want to mention before we get started. This mount does have some double-sided tape. You'll see it as the red coverings here and here. Now you want to peel those coverings off before you attach the mount to the dash, and that tape is designed so that if you ever need to remove the mount in the future, it won't leave any marks or residue behind. The second thing we want to mention is make sure you attach the mount to the dash before you install anything to this faceplate. This mount is going to attach into two different seams. The first is between this silver piece of plastic here and this hard piece of the vent that's outside. So there's a seam right in here. The second is this hard piece of black plastic here, and where the screen sits in its track, there's a seam between the two right in here. So the first thing we want to do is take this angled edge and put it into this right-hand seam. And you want to make sure you're near the top, that there's probably a good inch of space between the bottom of the screen and the bottom of the mount. Once you're in there, you can press basically with your thumb until it clicks in to the seam on this side. There we go. Once it's in place, we have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.